Fairy tales promise love, romance, and happily ever after. But in real life, weddings can be the beginning of your love story, and divorces can be the end. Either way, these two significant events come with big bills and long timelines. So how can engineers help you with your wedding or your divorce? Weddings are no modest ball. Depending on your state, most couples spend between $30,000 and $45,000 on the entire affair, taking roughly 1 year to plan. Hello, Circuiteers. Once upon a time, engineers developed technology to save your fairy tale love story both time and money. Every wedding needs a little magic and a lot of engineering. That's where Zola comes in, a free online platform with a user-friendly dashboard that has it all. The Zola software automates guest lists, tracks RSVPs, and organizes tasks with deadlines. Couples can register for over 100,000 gifts from over 1,000 brands with benefits like free shipping, group gifting, and price matching. Engineers built Zola to ensure wedding planning was less like slaying a dragon and more like waving a magic wand. When your fairy tale needs a castle, Prism brings it to life. Prism uses its cloud-based 3D spatial design technology to create digital twins and photorealistic interactive models for self-guided and sales-assisted virtual tours, allowing prospects and customers to access venues anytime and any place. Engineers have made Prism a place for collaboration, where wedding planners and clients can connect in real time, annotate layouts, and save every detail in a virtual space. And Prism Analytics track engagement, helping sales teams close deals faster. And by shortening sales cycles and reducing costs, this fairy tale can get to the happily ever after part with the quickness. But what if that fairy tale doesn't end with I do? Instead, it ends with I can't do this anymore. Well, turn that frown upside down, because engineers have thought of that as well. The average cost of divorce for many without children is upwards of $10,000. And for people with kids, divorce rates rose to about $15,000. And depending on your state and whether the divorce is contested or not, a divorce takes about 6 months to 2 years to finalize on average. Hello Divorce uses engineering and technology to navigate the legal maze no one wants to deal with. Hello Divorce is an online platform engineered to automate your paperwork, manage your filings, and streamline all of your communication. Think of it as a step-by-step guide. Step 1, schedule your free call. Step 2, choose your plan from one of the different levels. Step 3, start the legal process, which is preparing your initial forms online in just minutes. Step 4, file your forms. Step 5, get to an agreement on finances and kids if you have them. Step 6, finalize your divorce. And Step 7, you're on the beach somewhere having a Mai Tai. With Hello Divorce, most divorces wrap up 3 months faster, and most couples spend under $2,500 for their divorce, ultimately bringing a little sunshine to what oftentimes equates to a dark chapter. Fairy tales are a reflection of the human condition, but engineering is here to make some of life's most emotional moments easier to manage. From Zola's wedding magic and Prism's castles in the cloud to Hello Divorce's transformative legal shortcuts, engineers have proven that they can develop technology for every chapter of your love story. If you enjoyed this week's episode of The Circuit, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more incredible engineering news.
And a special thank you to the Ming Hsieh Institute at USC Viterbi for making this episode possible.